So maybe we can start already. Then I welcome everyone to the second informative webinar of the CCAM Logistic Task Force. In this webinar, we will be discussing about the initial findings from the interviews on gap analysis on societal readiness delivered by SINTEF and the business model development delivered by TOI. These were the findings where many of the CCAM Logistic Task Force members participated in the interviews. And now it's time to present them. So please, Paula, can you go to the next slide? Perfect. So before we start with the content of the webinar, just to walk you through a bit of housekeeping rules. So as you have noticed, the session will be recorded and will be shared with you and with other CCAM Logistic Task Force members that could not participate. After the webinar, we advise to include your full name and your company to identify yourself among other participants, to keep your microphone muted when the meeting is starting and your cameras off unless you are speaking. In case of any questions, you can share them in the GoTo chat and we will take them at the end of the webinar. And another disclaimer, very important nowadays, is to tell you that the use of AI-based tools is strictly prohibited during this webinar. So in view of protecting your privacy and the rights, and you can share your opinion as it is. Yeah, thank you, Paul. You can go to the next slide now. And to walk you through the agenda of today's webinar, so the welcoming and introduction is currently now finished. Then I will go next to a quick snapshot of what Moody project is about, more as a reminder, then how it links with the CCAM Logistic Task Force, what has happened since the kickoff of the task force that was done in January this year. Then we will go to 2 rounds of presentations, one initial finding on societal readiness interviews and work on gap analysis delivered by the colleague from SINTEF, Marianne and Andre, and then the initial findings on business models interviews on automation delivered by the colleague from TOI, Nina. For both presentations, we will have 2 Slido sessions where you can validate these initial findings and you can provide your inputs how you see them. Then in the end, we will have, I will walk you through the next steps and any questions that you might have in the chat, we will take them up. Then this is for this part. Paula, can you please share the next presentation?